Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to we have Honda 600RR. Introducing, we have a dual stage fuel injections, DSFI, ignitions, computer controlled, digital transitions. Compression ratio 12.2:1. Valve train DOHC 4 bulbs per cylinder. Driven train transmission close, ratio speeds, final drive 525 O-ring chains. Chassis suspension brakes, front suspension 41mm inverted Big Piston Fork. Rear suspension unit Pro-Link HMAS ankle shock with spring preload. Front drag brake dual radial-mounted 4-piston caliper with the floating 310mm. Dimensions rake caster angle 33.5. Trail 3.9 inches. Seat height 32.3 inches. Curb weight 41 pounds. Fuel capacity 4.8 gallons. So we have BD 594 5,000. So Philippine peso, you can buy it 903,379 pesos. So this is the CBR Honda from Bahrain. You can buy it near in Ansar area, the Honda CBR 600cc. Any other comments that you have? This is very good for your sports bike in Bahrain.